Let's welcome on board the guest on the show. Of course, we are talking about the management from Chaman Lal Setia as well. Mr. Setia himself is there with us. Mr. Setia, what's the kind of update that you can provide us with respect to how exports are panning out? Because there have been a lot of limitations that have been put by the government. Then there was the talk of bringing down the floor price as well. What's the impact on exports right now?
You see, this is a positive step from the government. And yesterday, Honorable Minister Mr. Piyush Goyal was discussing this with the rice industry. He gave his concern. His first concern was that the rice mean for the poor people should not rise. One. Second, he wants that the Basmati farmer should get the good price. So what we propose that the rice which is meant for distribution by FCI, the price is 3,400 rupees per quintal. So you double the basmati price and then permit us for the exports. He understood our concern. We gave this opinion also that after visiting two trade fairs, one in Iraq, in Erbil, Iraq Foods, and one in Istanbul, that is World Food, Istanbul. So in both the cases, because of higher MEP or price restriction, we were not able to sell even a single grain at that price. So they understood our difficulty and they see the reason in what we are proposing to them. And finally, they agreed for 850. So that means it is almost double the distribution price of the non-basmati in India. So that the prices of non-basmati, which is meant for our people who have a less purchasing power, so government is worried about them, well concerned. He very clearly said, if anything, if the prices goes up, then government will again step in. So that is a clear indication, and they want that basmati farmer should get a good price, and though it is a bottom line 850, but they want that export should be on a higher rates, and we have average our export is 1050 for the last 3 months. Hopefully we will do better. This is what trade has promised, and now I think business will start at a rapid pace, and rice industry will make good money this year. Yes, ma'am.
Sure, Mr. Setia. So the other thing, of course, as you're talking about, the domestic situation is all right, right now, but the prices continue to be on the higher side. For your company itself, what's the export exposure right now? What is it likely to move up and down to?
You see, I was holding orders worth around 200 crores when this sudden price restriction was imposed. So we were unable to get RCAC for permission to export basmati rice. Now, you see, all material can go. And our business was in the range of 1,000, 1,050. It was 900, it was 1,200, it was 1,400 also at various qualities, various prices we have committed with our buyers. So I hope that everything will be now streamlined. And it is good for the entire rice industry. Everybody was waiting for this and looking towards the government. And it is a well debated, well discussed, and a very good decision from the government side for growth of basmati business and for the betterment of farmers. And they have kept the higher level of price restriction, almost double the price of the rice which is distributed by FCI to the common man. So I think it's a good move.
To get in those insights from you as to what's happening with the industry.